Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product I want to share with you is available online. I've included a link in the description. It'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a folding card table, but this isn't just a standard card table. This has some unique features which makes it absolutely perfect and really, really cool. So this was sent over by a company called Hailnterior, and as you can see here, it is in front of me. It's got a nice white top here. This is a nice hard kind of PVC material. It's not one of those fabric ones that have a tendency to start peeling over time or get cut or anything like that if you're doing arts and crafts. And then it has a nice steel legs down here at the bottom. Now, the particular one I have here is a perfect size. It's a 48 inches long and about 24 inches in depth. So that way, when it does fold and gets nice and compact, it's very easy to store in your garage, under a bed, or in a closet, because essentially it is 24 inches by 24 inches by 3¼ inches in thickness as far as when it's completely closed. Now, however, like I mentioned, as you see when this is open, one of the cool things that makes this unique is it is adjustable in height part. So that is really, really cool. It has 3 different height levels. It basically will be 23 inches off the ground, 26, or 29. Now, the 29, which is what you're seeing right here in the video, this is pretty much the standard table size. But if you have kiddos, let's say they're wanting to do arts and crafts, or it's the holidays and you have a kid table and you want it at the lower height, you can do that. You can drop this down on their level, which is absolutely great. Or maybe you even have a pet, like a senior dog or something, and you want to be able to put their food bowl and everything like that so they don't have to bend over. You can even utilize this for that. So very, very easy to adjust. You're going to notice on either leg, it's going to have this nice little silver ball bearing part. You're just going to simply push that in and you're going to adjust it down. And now you can see it is in the 26-inch range and then the 23-inch range. Very, very cool aspect of this table because it makes it very, very unique. Now, like I said, it is got metal legs and a nice plastic top. It is very, very strong. So this can hold up to 400 pounds. So if multiple things are going on it, it can hold that weight, which is really, really cool aspect of it. And then it folds all up in very compact, like I said, for travel, which makes it also another nice feature. If you're throwing a party, you can easily put this out in the corner to put like food on or drinks or things like that. If you're having a garage sale, it's easy to pop this out and throw it in the garage and fill it up with stuff for sale. So it's a great, very, very versatile table that gives you lots of options, whether it is for the kids' table, whether it's for puzzles, or whether it is just for basically holiday or special use. This is totally worth checking out. If there is something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.